Mom, Nessie, I went to poop and I used some toilet paper.
But hey,
Quickly, I think the poop started to dry up in my bum.
okay, I'll bring you your angel cloth.
Thanks, Mom.
Angel cloth, the best toilet paper brand. Nice and smooth, it can whip up that diarrhea.
Mom, looking at my bum's all dry as the sun.
Oh yeah, that waterless sun. Okay, now let's see how your allergic reaction to sprouts happens.
Oh my gosh, I think I need to go potty.
Now,
Mom, I forgot the toilet paper.
now, angel cloth will make it all better.
Thanks, Mom.
You're welcome, babe. And you can get this angel cloth for only $19.95 plus shipping and handling.
Mom,
No batteries included.
I don't like the sprouts too much.
How about we?
Thanks, Mom.
That's what all your kids will be saying to you if you get angel cloth.